God, I need a filter. This is so fucking bright. See this, but it's fucking pouring out there. This is day 3 of Ultra. You have a favorite set from last night? Yeah, Skrillex was that banger.
Until the lady comes out, wake up Miami!
Yeah, that was pretty crazy. Yeah, Skrillex was nice yesterday.
Nobody said shit.
Gasafelstein was pretty crazy. I want to see Gasafelstein again. It sounded pretty much the same until I took out my earplugs. Once I took out my earplugs, then it sounded magical. But yeah, he played Org 3 different times with 3 different variations, each time harder than the last. It was nutty. Yeah. Life-changing for sure.
I am sad that he did not play a Kingdom Hearts song.
For Skrillex?
Yeah. That was a miss. If he would have played, you would have heard just anything. Any other songs, even the one he made for 3. I would have fucking shit my pants right then and there.
We got some pizza from where we get some the pizzeria. Paul said they make gyros. It has to be good.
That's how it works in Connecticut.
It tastes like shit. Is your fault.
It is Paul's fault. This box feels kind of light, Paul. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's. Oh, that's a lot smaller.
Ooh, I don't know. This is a.
Hold on, let's try it. Let's test it.
This looks like.
They look like fucking
This is your
Subway
pizza, Paul.
Subway pizza right there.
Oh, they're all pepperoni.
Oh my god, that's tiny.
Should we order Domino's before they close?
Oh. That's crazy. I've never seen this before. Like Miami's actually insane. I saw people. Look. I saw people coming in and out of this place. I thought the place was good. The Greeks in this fucking country, or in this state, are fucked up.
Bernie's autism just appeared, bro. Just started going to the camera like a fucking dumbass.
Somebody get the wing. And the cheesecake. Whoa. Alright, boys. Favorite set of the day.
Neo goes first.
That's true.
I think models were pretty good.
That's pretty good. I think I think models is pretty good.
I agree. When we were walking by Peekaboo, the live stage, that's just how
and they were talking about fucking good.
Did we see him in EDC?
Peekaboo? I don't think we've seen him.
It sounds familiar.
I've never heard that name.
I feel like if we ever don't know what to do, you can just go to live stage and something good's gonna be playing there. I don't think we went there a single time and something bad was playing.
Yeah, that Japanese girl with that black lady singing or something. I don't know.
That was fire.
I was on fire.
That was fire. She was cooking.
She knew she was doing bad when she asked like, "Oh, I guess we're late." When she said that.
Nothing's gonna be worse than that lady going, "Wake up, Miami!"
Like Toki Monster was cooking, but
Yeah.
she saw this lady stinging and she's like, I can't believe I was forced to do this. It was a little on her face. I feel like they were all forced to like do some live aspect to it because it's a live stage. It just makes it not be as good as it could have been.
Yeah.
I just did them too.
Oh, is there more?
You have the thing of paper towels in Bernie's car. You can go get it.
I do.
That is true. This is yours. What? Thank you. I think this is also part of yours, but it looks less messy.
Mm-hmm. Did you say what was your favorite set?
What?
What was your favorite set of the day?
Today? Yeah, I hate models.
I think my top 3 are Skrillex, Gestapostein.
I like Gestapostein, but I feel like I didn't really get to experience it the way I would want it.
That just means it's gonna be better next time.
Yeah.
Next time you're gonna be up there, going hog wild. I don't know if that'll ever happen again. And like the next lineup he's on, like everybody else around him playing would be so hyped that nobody's gonna go to his show.
That's what they say every time, Bernie.
Mm-hmm.
This dude was competing with Deadmau5 and he was competing with Hardwell. Like, when are you gonna see that again?
No, it's the Zoomers. They love them. Those are old names, Bernie. No one cares.
Dude, Cox is still pumping it.
Mm-hmm.
That guy is actually his age.
My guy is his age. Rough.
I have a more specific question.
It tastes like cruise pizza.
Specifically, what drop or moment was your favorite? What elevated
You're
you?
going cruise pizza, bitch.
Because I could name one. I could name the third droppable work in this Huffleton set. Is one of my mind was blown.
Do you really all the
It was one of the drops in the Chasing Something concert. Because that's when my edible hit me. And I was like, oh,
that's
yeah,
not
this is
mine.
what you're supposed to be
That's
doing. Oh,
not
I don't feel any
That's
pain. It
Bernie
was
shit.
nice. I
See,
could
that's
enjoy the
the- that's
show.
the- you
I
know-
didn't feel
you know
ashamed
what?
for sitting. That felt
I was
good.
born in a civilized society. Bennett.
Yeah, so you don't have a favorite
Yeah,
one,
so-
Paul? Is that what you're saying?
It was all kind of open.
What the hell?
I remember the whole vibe.
Okay.
Only thing I can really remember is when just now when
That I hate models moment?
yeah, when I popped off and I transcended.
When I was falling asleep, I kept like, like when you're falling asleep, you see something dramatic, and you're like, and you fall back asleep. It was just Bernie's face, like telling me to go somewhere. I was like, yeah, let's go to that stage. I was like,
That's what me when he fucking showed his tits to Father's boarding.
hearing that was an interesting exchange. Yeah.
Burly Willis. Oh shit! That you talking about that? That was crazy. We're talking about
Did it look practiced?
Definitely think he practiced.
I do practice. Every day in the morning.
But I was not expecting that, honestly. I felt violated.
You felt like you didn't give consent?
Like, he did not give consent. It's like...
He waited so long for this moment.
That was like an OnlyFans moment, and I didn't even pay for it.
What the hell?
That's the friend special, and that was too crazy.
Yes, Paul gets the friend discount.